Today, we're adding an energetic disco party effect to make your videos light up with dance floor vibes. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into CapCut and make sure it's selected on the timeline. Now, tap on Effects at the bottom and choose Video Effects. Next, scroll over to the Party tab. This is where all your energetic and colorful effects live. Look for the effect called Disco and tap on it. Instantly, you'll see your clip filled with flashing lights and motion that feels just like a party scene. To fine tune it, tap the effect again. You'll see the speed slider. This controls how quickly the lights flash and move. Slide it to the right for a fast paced disco strobe, or move it left for a slower, smoother lighting pattern. Once you've adjusted the speed to match your music or style, play back your video. It's going to look just like a real dance floor moment. And that's it. You've just added the disco party effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for music videos, dance reels, or party edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.